All right, we're going past the golf course right now. I'm gonna rip bomb the shit out of them. What's up, guys? Tag back out here doing what we always do. I'm not gonna start the bike in the garage because it's pretty damn loud. I'm gonna have to get used to starting my bike out here because it is way too loud in that garage. I mean, this exhaust really pumps volume out to the point where I have to decide whether I want to get a baffle or not because it is really loud, like incredibly loud. Let's start that up. Oh no, here we go. All right, let's try it out. I got so used to hearing the normal Ninja 400 sound that I expect it, but now I hear that. Oh God. Oh no. It's not that I don't like it. I love the sound. I just want to change the volume. That's what I want to change. I don't want to scare my neighbors every time I go out riding. I'll let this bad boy warm up. But if you guys have not seen the video, here it is right here, wherever it is. It's me just putting on the exhaust, and it's a pretty quick process. It didn't really take me all that long. I cut out probably 20-25 minutes of footage of me putting the exhaust on. So I mean, like, it didn't take that long. Pretty straightforward process. Yeah, go watch that video, guys. It's pretty entertaining, I gotta say. All right, here we go. I cut out a clip from a video that I was gonna post a while back, and it was basically me stopping, and I was like, why? I heard my exhaust piping when I didn't have my helmet on, like stock. Now you can really hear those damn pops on this exhaust. I don't know if that's normal. I hope to God that's normal. But yeah, I hear pops a lot now, especially when I'm downshifting. I'm getting used to the sound, but I still want to get a baffle, make it a little bit less loud. The video does not do this exhaust justice. You would have to hear this exhaust in person to really understand how loud it is. No video will ever do it justice. It's really grumbly and bassy, and it hurts your ears. I mean, just sitting here at an idle, it sounds loud. Oh man, holy crap, I just realized how loud would the R1 sound. How loud would that bike sound just straight piped? Probably sounds insane. Yeah, beautiful day outside. This is the nicest it's been in a long time, and I am all here for it. Because considering it's October 6th? October 5th today. We're getting the weather out again, and it did drop to 60 degrees, which we're probably gonna have to deal with this forever for good now. But I mean, considering it's October, we're doing pretty good. It's like 62, 63 degrees today, and it's beautiful outside, not cloudy. Well, I mean cloudy, but it's not as cloudy as it was yesterday. Get away from that guy. That's a first. This person just straight up waved at me. That was cool. There we go. That'll do it. Now I can rest my ears again. God, I have to get some earplugs or fucking get that baffle. I'm putting it off. The more I listen to this exhaust, it's like I get used to hearing that sound. Holy shit, it's windy out today. The last few days have been so windy. Like, oh my God, like I'm getting thrown around on this bike right now. That's something I'm never gonna get used to on this bike, is getting thrown around in the wind, especially on the highway. That is, on any bike really, you're gonna get thrown around in the wind. And today is just one of those days where anywhere I ride, I'm gonna get thrown around. Nice blinker, dude. I'm gonna give you a gold star, put it right on the back. Woo! No turn signal there. Oh, there you go. Oh man. Man, today is a beautiful day. Oh man. I think that said honk if you're honk back there. Damn it! I should have honked. All right, we're going past the golf course right now. I'm gonna rip bomb the shit out of them. I don't think I'll actually have to because this bike is so loud. It's always rev bombing. It's just that loud. I really have to order a baffle. That's what I gotta do. I see maybe a couple boats out there right now. Not too many people. It's one of those days where it's like, oh, Minnesota fall. We had a few nice days. And I think we actually had a few record high days for temperature, 89, 90 degrees, like just a couple of days ago. That's crazy. That corner right there is the most blind corner around. You cannot see jack shit. And that's why I always look there when I'm riding. You can't, no one sees you there. Not anyone. I mean, like at night it's way easier, but in the daytime basically impossible. Oh man, now the sun's going away, man. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm gonna stop at the gas station to pick up something because I am hungry, and I also might be going to Chick-fil-A after this, so who knows. My toes are freezing right now. Holy. Alright, I'm at the gas station. About to get myself something to eat. I'll be right out, guys. Alright, I did not get myself anything special. I just got myself a cheese stick or a Bosco stick because, yes, I am going to go to Chick-fil-A with my girlfriend. And we go out to eat like every Thursday, every other Thursday. So, good thing that we do. It limits how much money we spend on that junk food. It's so good though, you know? Anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Today is just a breather. It's a breath of fresh air. And I already know that we're going to get snow probably in like, I don't know, today or something. Remember to keep on riding. Be safe and enjoy your life, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe out there. And yeah, let's hear this bike one more time. Oh my God. I'll see you guys.